Hello friends! Welcome to Daily Sourdough. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Sweet Stiff Starter. Sweet Stiff Starter is just a variation of your regular sourdough starter, and it's used in recipes like my chocolate cake or cinnamon rolls or the crater cake or pretzels. And a Sweet Stiff Starter uses a little bit of sugar in it. The sugar keeps your starter from getting too sour and too tangy, so it tempers the flavor in your sweet dough recipes. It's very simple to make. So start by taking a 1/4 cup of your regular starter, and it can be straight out of the refrigerator. You don't need to feed it, you don't need to do anything special to your regular starter. Just take it out of the refrigerator or off your counter and put it straight into your bowl or your second crock. Then add to that 1/2 cup of water and stir that up. Make sure your starter really softens up, especially if it's cold. So just stir that for a minute or two. Once your starter has dissolved, add a 1/4 cup of sugar, then mix that up really thoroughly. Then add to that 1 cup of flour. So the only difference to feeding your Sweet Stiff Starter is that you're adding a 1/4 cup of sugar to it, and you're using a little bit less water. That's why it's called the Sweet Stiff Starter. It's a little bit stiffer, and it has that sugar in it to temper the flavor. And this is all there is to it. Now you have a starter that is perfect for using in your sweet recipes. And let this sit on the counter overnight, and then it will be ready to use. It should ferment up, become really lively and bubbly, and then it's ready to use in your favorite recipe. So check out some of my recipes. The cinnamon roll, the cakes, they're all very delicious with the Sweet Stiff Starter. So stay tuned to Daily Sourdough.